Example 14. A stone is thrown vertically upwards at 35 meters per second. Its distance is meters above the ground after t seconds is given by s is equal to 35t minus 4.9t squared. Find the velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds and t is equal to 3 seconds. So we are given the distance s at 35t minus 4.9t squared. Now its velocity v will be given by differentiating s as the s dt, and that will be 35 minus 9.8 t. So at t is equal to 2, the velocity will be given by, that's 35 minus, that's 9.8 times 2, and v will be given by 35 minus, that gives us 19.6. So v will be, that simplifies to 15.4 meters per second. So similar, t is equal to 3, v will be 35 minus 9.8 times 3, so v will be 35 minus, that's 29.4. v will give us 5.6 meters per second.